Hello and welcome to the first video of Microsoft Word. We're going to be talking about multi-level lists. So I'm going to think a little bit with you about what we're going to be doing. I'm going to discuss three types of fields of studies in our computers. The computer field, we're going to talk about computer science, computer information systems, and computer engineering. I'm going to take computer science and explore that into two types of programming. We're going to talk about application programming and system programming. And under the applications of the programming, we're going to talk about multi-languages. Like we could talk about procedural languages and object-oriented languages. Then under procedural languages, we're going to list a few of those languages. And under the object-oriented languages we're going to be listing some of those. So we're going to have actually 4 levels. It makes it much easier for me to show it to you instead of talking about it. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing. First of all, let me go ahead and increase the zoom so you'll be able to see that much better. So I'm going to start here about computer field, and I'm going to go ahead and say, of course, misspelled word. Go ahead and click the right button. And I'm going to talk here, computer engineering. And hit enter. I'm going to go ahead and say computer science. And then information system. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and select everything. And we're going to go ahead and just start with a symbol number. Don't worry about that. We could go ahead and fix it. Under the computer science, I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to say here application programming. I'm hitting tab, and we're going to say system programming. And I'm going to take the cursor after application programming. I'm going to hit enter, which we could easily also use the indent. It's either one will do it. Or hit the tab. Then we're going to talk about here procedure programming, and the second one we're going to talk about object oriented programming. We'll fix that misspelled in a second. Okay, oriented, and we're going to go to after the procedural programming. I'm going to hit enter tab, enter tab. And we're going to say here, let's say C programming, and maybe say COBOL. And under object-oriented language, we're going to go ahead and hit enter tab, and we're going to say here Java, and let's say C++. So as you notice, we have 4 levels actually. We have 1 level, 2nd level, 3rd level, and 4th level. What about if I wanted to go ahead and change the numbers? The first numbers, I'm going to put it capital Roman numbers. The second one is going to be capital ABC. The third one is going to be, let's say, 1, 2, 3. And the last one, we're going to go ahead and do it, let's say, lower Roman numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and select everything. I'm going to go to the multi-level list directly into the ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and define a new number format. Actually, not this one. I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to say define multi-level list. And I'm going to go ahead in the first level. I'm going to choose capital Roman number. I'm going to click on the second level. I'm going to choose capital ABC. And I'm going to go ahead and choose the third level. I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to click on the 4th level, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the little Roman number. And here we go. Notice here how we change everything to what we like. I could go ahead and even add S here, computer fields, make it a little bit larger. There we go. It's a bad spelling day for me. Okay. And go ahead and highlight it, make it bold, even make a different color. And notice that we have 4 different levels. The first level is capital Roman numbers. The second level is capital ABC. The third level is 1, 2, 3. And the fourth level is the lowercase, the lower Roman numbers. So this is going to really give you a good idea about how to use the multi-level list. We have 9 of them. I have never seen it in the real world that we use 9 levels of multi-level lists. So that's going to be like really two-way. Crazy to have that many levels. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue with another video. Bye.